welcome to my channel. So, hey, we're doing a CVS haul. So I went last night at 11 o'clock at night, my time. There's a spot on my lens. Last night, my time, 11 o'clock, I checked to see what CRTs I got, and I actually got more CRTs this week. I think I just keep getting them. Now, I'm not sure if it's based on what I buy, like usually it is, but I just been getting a ton of CVS CRTs, like CVS brand, which is fine, but I don't need any of that stuff. But I'm hoping we get more. I had to print my card like 3 times. I just kind of scanned it 3 times and I had 1 printout and 1 printout. So it is getting better. It is getting better. So I'm here to share with you guys what I got. So I ended up getting the pull-ups. Okay, the pull-ups. Now I thought there was a limit like of 3, but apparently there's a limit of 3 at Walmart. There's a limit of 1 at CVS. So I messed up on this order, but it still became a good or great deal. So these are 2 for $20. I bought 3 of them, so that's $30. I used 2 $2 off coupons and 1 $2 off digital coupon. You guys would pay $24 for this. Now this is a deal you don't want to pay with CRTs because for the Fetch Rewards deal, and I'll explain that in a second. So I actually had $10 cash card that I used previously, so there is that. But you guys will get a $10 extra $10 cash card for spending $10, and then you guys will get you guys will, sorry, I'm thinking my math like I did my math wrong, but you guys would get $1 back with Ibotta. But there's a deal in my Fetch Rewards app where if you spend $30, you'll get 5,000 points, which is equivalent to $5. Well, I just needed to spend $21.06 of pull-ups to get my 5,000 bonus. So I ended up using an old cash card that I've had in my coupon bin for a long time because I didn't want to pay with CRTs for that. So your grand total for 3 of these come out to be just $8 if you guys can do that 5,000 point for the Fetch Rewards. So that's $2.66 a piece if you guys want to do that. Now I'll show you something. So my store, they have these 20 counts. The one thing where you could get $2 or $3, it would be a 25 count and up. None of the pull-ups that I saw had anything like that. But these are both the same. These are both a 3T to 4T. But this one comes with 18 and this one comes with 20. So the newer ones are now getting less count. So this is Toy Story and this is Minnie Mouse. So make sure you guys check that if you guys are looking at getting pull-ups for your children. So then I was trying to do the toothpaste Colgate deal and stuff. I had a $4 off $25 CRT. I really wanted to get that CRT because I'm really trying to use up some of my CRTs if I can. So I'm trying to figure out all the math here, trying to figure out what would be the better scenario. And so I have actually a really good moneymaker. So I ended up getting 2 of the Colgate toothpaste. These were $4.99 a piece. I used a 4 off of 2 digital coupon. You guys would get $4 for buying 2 of these. These 4 right here were $6.99. I had only 1 $2 off coupon for the toothbrush and only 1 $3 off coupon for the toothpaste. So this was a limit of 2. So I did this deal. So I got those and I used that coupon. And then for all 6 items, I used that 4 off of 25 CRT. So the grand total for all 6 of these is $19.95. But like I said, you get $4 back, $4 back, and $4 back. And you guys can submit a $2 rebate with Ibotta ×2 for the battery operated toothbrushes. And then you guys can submit a $3 rebate with Ibotta ×2 with the 3D Brilliance toothpaste. So these all 6 come out to be a $2.05 moneymaker. You guys will get these all for free plus a profit, which is a pretty great deal. I have yet to try the battery operated ones. I should do that. I did the Cadbury egg. I almost broke my Cadbury egg. These are 2 for $2. You guys want to use the CRT that we got received last week, the $1 off of 2 CRT. So you guys would pay $1 for this, but then you guys will get $1 extra care buck, making these for free. So I actually get the caramel one. A couple of you guys were mentioning get the caramel, so I wanted to use that. So here I got the X. I wanted to get the Dove that's in the Shopkick app, but my store only had 1 out of the 3. And so I'm like, nope, don't need to do it. It was okay. But I ended up doing the X deal, which I was excited for. Now these are $5.99, and this is $6.29. These are buy one, get one 50% off. My cashier actually took $6.29 off. I didn't ask it, she just took it off. So she took off $6.29 off. So I paid $2.99 for this. But then you guys will get a $2 extra care buck when you buy 2 items, making these pretty much 99 cents. But there's actually a deal in the Shopkick app where you guys will get 600 points for purchasing the product and 20 points for scanning it, which is equivalent to $2.48. So there's $2.48 and $2.48, making this a $3.96 moneymaker. So you guys will get at least for free or a moneymaker depending on how your store takes that coupon. But I was excited to do that deal. So yes. And then this is actually the last deal that I got. I ended up getting the Suave shampoo and conditioner. These were 2 for $6. I had a 2 off of 2 coupon that we got in today's Unilever. You'd pay $4 for this, but then you guys will get a $2 extra care buck, making these just $2 or $1 a piece. So not the greatest haul. With the CRTs that I haven't been getting, I've been kind of slacking, which is totally fine. But you know what? I'm just happy that I get to do some couponing and get that out of my system. So my total came to $32.22. I ended up getting $11 back with Ibotta. I used $26 of extra care bucks, but I did receive 27 back. I received 5,302 points from Fresh Rewards, which is basically $5.30. And then from Swag Bucks, I got 1,240 points, and that came out to be $4.96. So my grand total came to be a 4-cent moneymaker. I got everything for free. I got 15 items, all for free. So I was pretty excited for that. But yeah, I wanted to do a couple more deals, but it sucks that my store doesn't have their tags on yet. They're very understaffed, which is fine. But they just focus on doing other things instead of putting the tags on. So it just sucks because I gotta like figure out. I go to the price checker multiple times to figure out what's on what sale. So anyways, that is my haul. Thanks for watching, you guys. I do have a printable breakdown list for everything that I got, so you guys can check it down below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next week. See you later. Bye-bye.